Welcome to our very own program, The Top Line. Today, after many requests from parents and students, we'll be talking about never giving up.
Yes, nowadays anxiety has heightened to such levels that most students are prey to seclusion and depression.
What most people do not know is that never giving up is more closely related to science than they think it is. Nature is our best teacher, as we've often heard from mentors and parents.
Absolutely, even the smallest of the small insects, such as bugs and ants, do not give up. It is time that we realize...
What bug? What even? Hi, I am a bug. This looks like a mysterious place. I wonder what these huge white creatures are. Climbing to the top of this thing. Let's see what these flappy things do. Whoa, this is so cool! Oh damn, ow, ouch, no! Darn it! Okay, I'll get it this time. Yes, it's working! Hey creature, watch it! Woo! Yeah! Damn, not again! Ouch! 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 Okay, this is it. I'm not gonna give up. I have to fly. Yes! Yes! It's happening! I'm flying! I'm flying! I'm actually doing it! Yay! I never realized that it would be such a great feeling soaring up here. Yes! Feels so good to be above these white beaches for a change. I wonder how much I would have missed if I'd given it up. I'm so happy I never gave up. It's much better up here than down there.
This dream must have been one of the best things that have happened to me. It's pretty shocking how such a positive thought was buried in my brain. I know that I can't let the fear of failure be the reason to hold me back from success. This is what the bug in my dream has taught me, and I will strive towards it.
No, do that again.
Sorry, start again.
So hot. It's fine, it's fine.